Hi guys, it's Corey and thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I wanted to share with you that I have blank ready to decorate mini albums for sale. These are a standard size that I always have for sale, and I usually have them made up ahead of time, but even if I don't, I can usually get them sent out by the next business day, depending on when I receive payment for it. I do also make custom sizes. You would just want to email me to find out the price. Depending on what size album you want, how many pages you want, will determine the price on that. But these are the standard ones that I always have for sale, and I'll have all the information down in the description box. I can at this time only ship within the United States. I apologize for overseas, but the cost of shipping just doesn't make the cost of the album worth it. So again, check the description box. It'll have all the details in there. How I receive payment is through PayPal. You do not need to have a PayPal account to be able to pay through PayPal. And if it's easy for you, I can send you an invoice on PayPal and you can pay it that way. I also have a PayPal button on my YouTube channel on my About page. You can find it there. And just please choose the friends and family choice to avoid the fees. If you're finding this video through my Etsy or eBay, the price of the albums is slightly higher just because of the fees that they charge. So let me show you what's included in these albums. And these are the colors that I have available: black, craft, and white. So you'll just want to choose an album that's going to go best with whatever paper collection that you're going to be making with. These albums are 7.5 tall, 5 3/4 wide, and the spine is 2.5 inches. They again have 6 pocket pages. I use medium weight graphics chipboard for the spine and front and back cover. I use smooth cardstock for these, and I also use Tyvek in the hinge, in the binding, to make it stronger. These have a 3/8 inch gusset, and all of them have a side pull-out tabbed mat. And what I do is I alternate them, so it makes the album look a little bit fuller. So you'll have one that is on the top, one that is in the middle, and the bottom. Again, the middle, the top, the middle. What comes with these albums as well is a little cheat sheet that gives you sizes for your pattern paper to make it easy, so you don't have to even figure it out if you choose not to. You can also, of course, adjust the sizes. I'm just giving you a general size chart to make it easier. I also will include 3 optional pockets that are cut and scored for you, so you simply just fold them, and you want to fold them into the bump. Hopefully you can see that. You'll fold into the bump, and I like using wet glue before you put it on the page so you can kind of adjust it, get it exactly where you want, and then glue it down. So you'll have 3 pockets. They're optional because some people don't want pockets, other people do. And then I will also send 6 pieces of the matching cardstock with the album, and these are 8.5 by 5.5. So I'll include those as well for matting or more pockets, whatever you'd like. So here is the craft album. Again, 6 pages, side pull-out tabbed mats for more photos. And then here is the black album. So I've sold quite a few of these. I've been selling them for a couple years now, and I've gotten some great feedback that people don't necessarily like making the album parts, but they love decorating mini albums and giving them as gifts. So if you're one of those, then this would be a great route to take. So that does include shipping within the United States. Again, you can feel free to email me. I'll put my email down in the description box. Feel free to email me for any questions you have on it. And like I said, I ship them out usually by the next business day. I send them first class mail. So check the description box. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. And thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day.